Why do customers love our Basic American extended care beds? Let us show you. Our Basic American beds are built in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, USA. Manufacturing the beds ourselves means we control and oversee every component and process that goes into making every bed. This also allows us to offer more customized solutions and shorter lead times. Our laser and robotics allow us to carefully assemble and weld our bed frames. They last for 10+ years. Self-manufacturing allows us to carefully select all the raw materials used in our beds, from the best grade quality steel down to the hardware, such as our maintenance-free sealed ball bearings in the sleep deck joints that extend the life of the bed. Did you know our beds are tested up to 45,000 times at full load? Our R&D in designing patented areas, such as our high-low mechanics that reduce load, and slide-wide, are ways of building you more of something that you need. Even our electronics are carefully chosen to ensure they last longer and consume less power, making them a cost-effective solution. We stand behind our products and warranty them because they are built to last. If something needs replacing, we got you covered. Our replacement parts are stocked in-house and readily available. It goes without saying that our customers appreciate our technical support and customer service teams that are here to help you find parts and answer any questions you might have. Basic American offers a variety of extended care beds, along with complimentary case goods to outfit any facility, home, or rehab. Contact us or visit us online at www.gramfield.com to learn more about our Basic American bed offering.